Now I will show you how to open the form with the specific item. As you can see here, we have an items, so we need to make a form to open with the specific item code, and also we'll make a form to add or modify the entries. Okay, now let's start. First, just select this table, then go to create, then here form, just click this one. Automatically it will create a form. Look here, record source automatic items. Since we open the form, then we select this one, item details. I will adjust. What I did is I just select this one, then I press shift, then arrow left to reduce the width. Then I will select. First we will save product, then I will go to other here, pop up to yes, then we need to remove this one and also this record selector. Make sure to select this one, then format, border style. I prefer to use pen. Then here record selector, make it no, and here also navigation, make it. Then I need to remove also this one, because if we will maximize, it's not good. So here I just make it minimize enable, lock. Only minimize is enable so that I can restore, but maximize is disabled. Okay, now I will save again. You can modify the header, and here you can change also. Now, same process, we will make a list or continuous form. Just select again, then go to create, then here, instead of this one, we will go to more forms, then multiple items. So this is default view is continuous form. So now this is the one we have. Continuous form. Here, look, default view is continuous form. I will remove that one. Just to adjust. To make it wider. Here I will make it wider. consider item price. Product list. So we have okay, now we will put a button. So example, we will select this one, then here we'll put a button to open this specific item, and you can modify. I will adjust description. Okay, now I need to add a button to open this form with a specific item. We'll go to design, then here button, then I will put edit, or let's say edit CMD edit here. So that it will the same size. So here, then I will add another button. Here I will put CMD delete if you want to delete the specific item. Delete. Then I will put some label here. Action. I will drag here, then just select, press shift, then select this one, right click, then merge, so that the label it coming in the center. I will change to blue, and I will change the font to white. I can select this one. I will go to design or format, then you can choose for edit. I will choose to just to make it good looking here. Then you can change also the format, quick style, this one. I will change the border style solid, then border color I will make it say yellow. I will make it border color, border style, width, border width. I will make it 2. So now we have buttons to edit or view, then we have button also to delete. Okay, let's start with edit. Here, just select and go to event, then on click, then we'll put do cmd dot open form, then we'll put form name. So form name is here products. Just press F2, copy and paste, Ctrl V. Then first is we need to put comma, another comma, another comma. So here where condition, so we need to put some condition to open the specific item. So we'll copy this one, item code, then double quote, then we'll paste item code, then equal, this is the field, then double quote, then I will put and our text box or field, which is me dot item code, this one, this item code here. Now we'll try. If we will select this 7 here, look, automatically it's coming with item code 7. If I select also here 14, since we put some condition that if we select this one, automatically it will open with a specific product details. Again, if we scroll down here to 25, then it will open with the item code 25. Now we will add some code in our delete button here. On click event, then we'll put do cmd dot run command. Now we'll use run command, then acCmd select record, this one. So we need to select the record, then do cmd dot run command. Now we will delete acCmd delete record, this one. Okay, I'll open, then I will go to the last. Here I will click delete. Look, you are about to delete one record, then again we'll delete. Now we need to get rid for this one. We can put some code also, so that every time we'll delete, automatically it will delete without having this pop-up message. Again, just select this one. Here we will put some code, do cmd dot set warning equal false here, then after delete also do cmd.set warning true, so that if I will open here and delete, automatically it will delete without any block. So this is it. This is how to open within specific items and how to delete the specific item line. Thank you and God bless.